Eating healthy food is good for you. It not only nourishes your body, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. Incorporating fresh vegetables into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Salads are healthy and easy to make. They are versatile and can be customized to suit your taste. Whether you prefer a simple green salad or a more elaborate one with various toppings, salads are a great way to enjoy a nutritious meal. This recipe uses avocado, which is full of good things. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are known to support heart health, improve digestion, and provide essential nutrients that your body needs. You can make this recipe quickly for a tasty meal. It's perfect for those busy days when you need something nutritious but don't have much time to cook. With just a few simple steps, you can have a delicious meal ready in no time. This recipe is perfect for new cooks. It's straightforward and doesn't require any advanced cooking skills. Even if you're just starting out in the kitchen, you'll find this recipe easy to follow and rewarding to make. It uses simple ingredients you can find anywhere. You don't need to go to specialty stores to find what you need. Most of the ingredients are likely already in your pantry or can be easily found at your local grocery store. Let's get started making delicious and healthy avocado toast. Follow along as we guide you through each step, ensuring you create a meal that's not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Enjoy the process and savor the results. To make this delicious and nutritious recipe, you need a few essential ingredients that will bring out the best flavors and health benefits. First, grab one ripe avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and vitamins, making them a perfect base for our dish. You'll also need 2 slices of bread. The bread will serve as the foundation for our tasty creation. Choose bread that is good for you, like whole grain. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber and nutrients, which are essential for a balanced diet. Next, find some salt and pepper. These simple seasonings will enhance the flavors of our ingredients, adding a touch of zest and spice. Finally, get a lemon or some lemon juice. The citrusy tang of lemon will brighten up the dish and add a refreshing note. Now you are ready to cook. With all your green allies gathered, you can start creating a meal that is both delicious and good for you. Enjoy the process and savor every bite. First, cut the avocado in half. Remove the seed. Scoop the avocado from the skin with a spoon. Put the avocado in a bowl. Next, mash the avocado with a fork. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. And enjoy. Flavor Fireworks Tips and Tricks. Welcome to a world where your taste buds can dance with delight. You can add other things to your avocado toast. The possibilities are endless and can transform a simple snack into a gourmet experience. Try some chopped tomatoes for a fresh taste. They add a burst of juiciness and a vibrant color that makes your toast look as good as it tastes. A sprinkle of red pepper flakes adds a little spice. It's perfect for those who love a bit of heat and want to kick things up a notch. If you like cheese, crumble some feta cheese on top. The creamy texture and tangy flavor of feta can elevate your toast to new heights. Don't be afraid to try your own ideas. Experiment with different ingredients like radishes, microgreens, or even a drizzle of honey. The key is to have fun and make it your own. The health boost is why this toast rocks. This avocado toast is good for you. Avocado has healthy fats. It also has vitamins that give you energy. Whole grain bread has fiber. Fiber is good for digestion. This toast is a powerful and delicious way to start your day. Ready, set, toast. You learned how to make healthy avocado toast. It is easy and quick to make. Now you can impress your friends and family with this delicious recipe. Cooking healthy food can be fun and simple. Try this recipe today.